Hello, I'm in a 2010 Mazda CX-9 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side we'll pop down and you should see a release lever right here which will pull. That should pop the hood. And if this is really loose, double check this cable is attached. This cable is what reaches that safety. And up front now this hood should be slightly loose. That way you can stick your fingers in here now. But you'll find a lever right here, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. And there's this little arm here as well that you can use to hold it up. This is what that lever looked like. So I'll double check for any debris stuck in here that needs cleanup, anything bent or broken. If it's really sticking, maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it. Up here's where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because that could cause issues as well if it closes crooked. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.